Okay, I wanted to give you guys a look into the Hobbit. This is a novel unit study that I made, and it is available in my shop or for free if you sign up for my membership. And I made this because my family loves the Hobbit, and so I wanted to give you a look inside of it because it's a little bit different than the typical unit study. It's kind of a combination of what I call a research unit and a unit study. And then I've broken the book down into 4 different parts. So the first part covers chapters 1 through 5. Each section has a character profile for you to fill out, or for your kids to fill out, on one of the characters. This one has a spot for some silly songs because the dwarves are all about their songs, and some riddles to pay homage to Gollum and his riddles. We've got the rune alphabet on the last page for this section, and then the kids are supposed to write a secret message and get a friend to decode it, and then we go on to the next section. So there's always a character profile and then other things kind of related to different things that come up throughout that section. And like I said, you can get it in my shop or for free in the membership.